What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you this unboxing video as I recently bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. This is a very famous vlogging camera, and although there's a new model already which is the Pocket 3, I still decided to get this one because it's lighter and it's smaller. So let's check what's inside the box. Let's go! Alright guys, so this is the box of the DJI Pocket 2. As you can see, it's so small and it's so compact. I actually got this from Coupang, which is an online shopping store here in Korea, for only 500,000 won. So I think that's roughly around $450 or $480 US dollars. So let's go ahead and peel the plastic wrap. Hold on. Alright, so I was able to cut the plastic wrap. Let's peel it off. So I actually saw that this is the second model. Well, obviously, as you see its name, it's Pocket 2, but there's the DJI Osmo Pocket, which is the first generation, and the current one is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is a handheld vlogging camera, and as you can see, it has a gimbal already built in. So let's open the box now and see what's inside. Alright. So as soon as I open the box, there's the visualization here, the power button, how you connect it to your phone, and the DJI Mimo application. Alright, so let's take out this box and see what's inside. I think these are charging cables and some of the smaller accessories. Alright, let's set this aside. So let's take out everything for now. Wow, that's a lot of stuff inside. So many small things. Yeah, and this is the creator combo, which is again for 500,000 won. You can buy the cheaper standalone pack, which is 360,000 won. Alright, I took everything out of this small box. And as you can see, we have several accessories. We have the charging cable here, and it has two USB-C connector. This one is, let's check. Alright, I think this is the it's the connector to use when you want to connect your phone with the DJI Pocket 2. Alright, let's put it here. This is just the moisture absorption stuff. And we have another pack here, so I can see it from the inside. Well, it looks like it's the wide angle lens. Okay, so this is one of the additional things that you will get from the creator pack. Put it there. What else do we have here? Okay. I like that they sealed everything in individual envelopes. Okay, this is the mic filter, noise reduction for your mic recordings. And I think this is the, oops, this is the one for the joystick. Okay, yes, it is. So you can use it to control the Pocket 2 device. And last but not the least, check here. Is this, well, yeah, it's the USB, not USB, it's the iPhone connector rather. This is the USB-C one, this is the iPhone one. Okay. So let's set the product aside first. I want to see the manuals and okay, the additional accessories. Alright, so okay, bunch of usual paper stuff. We have the start guide, quick start guide, and yeah, some leaflets here. Perhaps, yeah, recycling information, other warranty information. And now we have the other accessories. This is what they call do-it-all handle, if I'm not mistaken. And you attach this to the bottom part of the DJI Pocket 2. So yeah, you can charge it, you can plug an earphone here, and there's also the 1/4 thread for tripod and other accessories. Oops. Okay, so there are things inside here. Okay, so this is the wireless microphone, and yep, you have to put this here, I think. Is this magnetic? I don't know. Okay, there's like a hole, and yeah, you can clip it for the audio recording. And we have this bottom part. I think you put this at the bottom part of your Pocket 2 for the 1/4 thread. And last but not the least, we have the tripod. Okay, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, you can use this very compact mini tripod if you want to put your Pocket 2 on the table. Yeah, so it's like that. Okay, let's set the box aside and let's look at the main star of the show, which is the Pocket 2. Alright, it comes with this case, this protective case. And I like the fact that they included that because yeah, this is definitely not a cheap device. And let me just try to pull this out. Okay, nice and tight. Yeah, this is the case, and there are compartments inside. I think yeah, this is for the phone connectors and the wide angle lens. And now we have DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So let's remove these things. It says remove before powering on. So these are some protective straps or protective film so that it doesn't get damaged while being shipped. Okay, so let's remove this. This is a very small viewfinder, very small screen. And this is the power button. So let's try to power it on. Oh, okay. So no SD card, and it's, yeah, let's use English. Alright. So the first thing that you have to do is to activate the device via the DJI Mimo application. So I'll do that and come back. Okay guys, so I'm back after activating the device through the DJI Mimo application. To be honest, it was so difficult to remove the bottom part of this device. So originally, it had the default attachment, which was this one. So yeah, it's just the cover, but it was so difficult to remove. I thought I was going to break it, but yeah, I was able to attach the do-it-all handle. And looking at it, the material, I don't know, it feels sturdy, but it already, I don't know, like discolored. I don't know why. Maybe because, yeah, I was trying to grip it so hard because I was trying to remove the bottom part. But yeah, but anyway, this is already the activated one. And let me turn it on. Yeah, you should see me here. But yeah, I'll go ahead and test it more and update you guys about the performance, usability. I know that a lot of content creators really like this device, but yeah, I'm not sure. It's the first time I'm going to use a different camera aside from my phone. So let's see how it works. Maybe I'll end up liking it. But so far, the accessories are great. Although the process of replacing the parts, the bottom part, even this one, when I tried to connect to my phone, it was so difficult to remove. I don't know why, but yeah. So far, that's my experience of the DJI Pocket 2 unboxing, and I'll go to an event after this. We have the Seoul Festa, which is a week-long celebration for Seoul tourism. They have a lot of events. They have some concert, they have picnic, and K-pop competition. So yeah, I'll use this Pocket 2 device and share with you the results in the next vlog. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for my unboxing, and see you next time. Bye!